Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson SV17. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner from the mains to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the base cover removed, you will see the internal components of the vacuum. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean vacuum performs better, so consider using a soft brush or cloth to clean the interior. Now locate the ring that needs to be changed. It is typically situated around the motor housing. Using your pliers, carefully grip the old ring and twist it to loosen. If it's particularly stubborn, you may need to apply a bit more force, but be careful not to damage surrounding components. Once the old ring is removed, take your new ring and align it with the housing. Ensure it fits snugly into place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After the new ring is in position, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the base cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a gentle shake to ensure everything is secure. If you notice any rattling, double-check that all components are properly fitted. Now, plug your Dyson SV17 back into the mains and turn it on to test the new ring. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything seems to be functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully changed the ring on your Dyson SV17. If you encounter any issues or if the process feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to keep your vacuum in top condition. In summary, changing the ring on your Dyson SV17 is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your vacuum. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, professional help is always available if needed. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.